In pharma, every data point matters. A minor error in research, a delay in trials, or a missed compliance step can set progress back months or risk lives. That's why precision and speed must go hand in hand. At Kanerika, we help pharmaceutical companies accelerate discovery, improve compliance, and optimize operations through AI, data analytics, and intelligent automation. From R&D to manufacturing and distribution, we make your data work smarter, so innovation moves faster and safer. The pharma industry runs on data, but legacy systems and manual workflows slow down everything from research to approvals. That's where Kanerika steps in. Our AI-powered automation and analytics simplify complex pharma workflows end-to-end. Intelligent agents automate documentation, compliance checks, and report generation, reducing manual effort and error. Machine learning models analyze trial data, detect anomalies early, and optimize resource allocation. Our predictive analytics improve demand forecasting, while real-time data dashboards keep research, manufacturing, and distribution aligned. Pharma companies using our solutions have seen reporting times cut by 70% and compliance accuracy improve by 40%. Transformation in pharma isn't just digital, it's scientific, procedural, and human. At Kanerika, we work with your R&D, manufacturing, and compliance teams to design systems that fit your processes. We handle integration, migration, and training, ensuring a smooth transition and minimal downtime. With Kanerika, pharma companies gain insights, efficiency, and confidence from research to market. Contact us today to discuss your use case.